Well, this is embarrassing. I have injured myself. This was supposed to be a solo overnight bushcraft camp where I just like take a tarp and I just go off in the woods and cook something ridiculous. No, actually it was dehydrated spaghetti that we dehydrated last night. That's what I was going to cook, a little bit of garlic toast and chill, maybe build a little bit more onto a shelter that I started to build a while ago. But earlier in the week, I hurt myself. I was rock climbing and I was walking across the parking lot, talking to a friend, not paying attention, and I stepped off of a curb, a 4-inch curb, and completely like destroyed my back. I mean, I got x-rays, nothing's broken, but still, I didn't think it was going to be an issue until when I carried the pack out to the truck. I was like, it's not that comfortable, but I usually don't hike that far, so I'm like, oh, it'll be alright. And then I got here, I don't know if it was like the bumpy roads or, I don't know. I went to pull this guy out and I was like, no, I am not hiking anywhere. So, my options: drive all the way home. I mean, no. I mean, it's only an hour and a half, but like right now the temperature is perfect. I mean, like mid-60s. It's fall. The leaves are falling off the trees. They're changing colors. I want to be out here. So I'll probably just sleep in the cab. I don't have a tarp or anything. Well, I have a tarp, but it's not big enough to cover the back of this truck. It's just like my idea was to be like minimal stuff and build, but it's not going to happen now. I do have like 3 hours of battery for my drone. So I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to pick my favorite song and just do something pretty cinematic, which would be the complete opposite direction of where I was planning on going with this video. The original idea I had was to just like do like a very candid camp video where it's not cinematic, but you just like literally see camping, like pure camping or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll start it. Let's see how it goes. As long as I don't hurt myself. As long as I don't hurt myself again. Gotta be careful for snakes. It's nearly fall, but still. I mean, it is fall. But still, I don't want to get bit. What I'm doing is I'm looking for a semi-shelter that I built. Not really built. I put a tarp over a log. I'm trying to see if it's still intact, but I gotta find it first. Because I wonder. I think I see it. I forgot how far I walked. Oh, yeah. This would not have been doable with my back and my pack. This Nope. I got my spiderweb stick. Just going to check it out for the next video. Next trip. Should I choose to video it or not? We'll see. Yes. Yes. Signs of me. I chopped all those. Can't see it. It's blurred out. All the branches off this tree were chopped by me. That rhymed. Huh. I suppose somebody else has been here. No. No way. I made a shelter here once. Kind of. With a tarp and these logs. My plan was to build onto this, but that's all that's left. Nobody's been here, but I guess it didn't. My semi-poor construction didn't handle the summer storms very well. It was like perfect the way this tree fell. Wedged perfectly between these two pines. This cedar tree. Alright, let's get down to the water. Running out of daylight. Back on the main trail. I know there's one like inlet. I'll have to find a way to get across to get to the main river. Oh, I don't know if that's going to be doable. I can get across now. What was that? That was big. I didn't bring my pistol. I don't think it was a bear. Let's go back and get the pistol, just in case. Yeah, it was a bear. Didn't think they were down this far. Be back in a minute. It is the king of the rats. It is King Rat Snake. These guys you don't have to worry about. Probably kind of hard to see. It's pretty big though, about 4 feet long. They are non-poisonous. King snake, black snake, rat snake, whatever. They're actually good. Unless they bite you. They're not poisonous though. Just a black snake. Alright, let's get the this is pretty immature of me, I suppose. I'm a bit complacent since I'm not actually backpacking. You know, I'm still like going far away from the truck, which I should use my brain and realize animals don't care if you're camping or not. And I know there's a lot of debate about caliber and what you should carry as far as guns go when you're in the woods, but from what I've gathered and what I know is that the thing that's most important is knowing how to use your firearm. If you can't use it, you can't be quick with it. It's going to do you no good whether it's a 50 cal or a 22. That was definitely a bear though. It came out of a tree. Hopefully the sound came through on camera. Came crashing out of the trees. I know that there are coyotes all over this area, but they don't climb trees. Alright, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. This is snake territory here. The reason why I'm doing this is I saw from the drone footage a really, really cool beach on the other side. This little canal over here. And I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully. Holy cow. Deer. Oh, it's squishy. Hopefully I can get across. Man, the drone made it look so easy. Oh, I didn't bring the Zoello either. Oh, amateur hour. No service. Raccoon? I don't know. My feet weigh like 100 pounds. This better be worth it. Holy cow. What is that? A porta potty! Yes! We're saved. How in the heck did that get here? Okay. Right. Righto. Man, this is dense. Yep. This is like the worst video quality ever. How in the heck am I going to get back? I don't see a way through. I guess we're going to be creating a way through. Oh, oh, oh. Dude, it's got to be like right there. I'm probably going to have to use my map to get back. Yeah, definitely. How is it this far away? I'm like in floodlands right now. I still can see nothing. I must have taken like the absolute worst route to get to where I want to go. Yeah, this is not right. Should have been to the river by now. It's pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Just gotta get down now. It's gonna seem like kind of a fall. Be great for my back. Oh, it's like we're in a foreign country. I can't spend a lot of time here because I have no light. But we can fly the drone a bit. This is crazy. Holy cow. It's my own private beach. This is freaking awesome. But I need to find my way back. Got about 2 hours of light left. No flashlight. Let's go as I fall. It'd be cool to bring the whole family here. If I can get out of here. Wow. Giant thorn. Yeah, that was pretty cool. It's pretty cool, but I'm running out of daylight, and I would like not to be out here with no flashlight or anything at night. And I'm gonna need to use my map. All right, catch you guys back at the truck. Just figured I'd video this just in case I fall in or something. Hopefully not. Avenza Maps is an absolute must, or some kind of GPS when you're doing silly things like this. You know, the drone made that look so much easier than it was. I'm sweating right now, and it's in the 60s. It's crazy. I mean, it was worth it. That was pretty sweet. That beach, very nice. Very hard to get to. What a great day. What a great day. And tonight, I get to sleep in the back of the truck. I would prefer to be sleeping down in the woods underneath a tree under a tarp or something, which sounds terrible, but that's what I would prefer, not to be in the middle of a dirt road in the cab of my truck. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some mediocre food. I'm not going to waste my spaghetti tonight. I'm going to use that next time. Special occasion spaghetti. So I'll probably make some, whatever's in that crate right there, I'll make that, and then I'll eat it, watch a movie, and then that'll be it. Appreciate it, guys. We appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. Holy cow, I am so terrible at this. How am I so bad at this? The Laffitte Outdoors appreciates you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers! Here we go. Like a hobo. Sleeping bag in the cab of our truck.